A very good morning, children. I am Gagan Bhatia, your SST teacher from Springfields Public School. Children, in the last lecture, we started with civics lesson number 4, the judiciary, and today I am continuing with the topic, the High Court, that is given on page number 30 of your books. The High Court, when we talk about, is the highest judicial authority in a state, and at present there are 24 high courts in India. As far as its composition is concerned, every high court consists of the Chief Justice and many other judges, and the number of judges varies from state to state. Now comes appointment. The President of India appoints the Chief Justice of the High Court in consultation with the Chief Justice of India. Eligibility. To qualify for the appointment as a judge of the High Court, the person must be a citizen of India and should have 10 years of experience as an advocate of the High Court. The judges of the High Court can serve till the age of 62. Jurisdiction is given on page number 34 of your page number 31 of your civics book, children. The High Court issue writs. The definition of writs is given at the back of your books in the glossary for the enforcement of fundamental rights, and it also controls and supervises the working of the subordinate courts. Advocate General. Each state has an Advocate General who is appointed by the governor of that state. His qualifications are the same as the judges of the High Court. Subordinate courts. Each state is divided into various districts, and the courts which function in these districts are called subordinate courts. They hear both civil and criminal cases. Now, let us read about the types of subordinate courts given on page number 31 again. The District Judges Court is the highest civil court in the district, which can hear the cases related to land, property, money transaction, marriage, divorce, etc. Another court is the Court of the Session Judge, which is the highest criminal court in the district. It is presided over by the district judge, who is called the district and the sessions judge. Turn the page, children, and come to page number 32 of your books. The Revenue Court deals with cases of land records and assesses and collects the land revenue from landholders. The Panchayat courts deal with civil and criminal cases at the village level, and these courts have various regional names like Nyay Panchayat, Gram Kachehri, etc. The last topic given on page number 32 is Lok Adalat. That is, the process of seeking justice is very time consuming in your country India. Therefore, Lok Adalat or the People's Court was set up to provide speedy justice. It is presided by a retired judge along with two other members, a lawyer and a social worker. No appeal can be made against the order of the Lok Adalat. Children, you have to read to sum up given on page number 32, and after you read the chapter thoroughly, please do part A and B given on page number 33 of your civics book. Now, that's it for today, children. Please keep on preparing for the oral assessment that you have in the coming week. All the best, children. Take care of yourselves. Thank you, beta.